57, come in. 600, 57, roger. Mary 134, 27 Mary 134, come in.
Go ahead.
27 Mary 134, I showed you logged on without your watch. That's probably why you're having issues. Do you need me to log you back on?
What's up, everybody? We're on Palms and Clarington right now. A little vehicle collision.
27 Mary 134.
One of the drivers is okay, but she's laying down on the grass over here. She's okay. She's just a little startled, it appears.
Unit traffic 50 Franklin and Highland. Vehicles at the gas station. Vehicles of White Lincoln SUV 9-fold Mary Victor 279, 9-fold Mary Victor 379, extend 3198, 3625. 6030, 6030, did you receive your cancellation? I am support 327.5 Avenue 24. Just I take this. 134, watch where you're left on them.
What happened is two cars collided. That's what happened. What's up, Dana? How you doing? We're at a little collision here. We're on Palms and Clarington. LA Fire Department's on scene, but they're waiting for ambulance. One of the drivers is laying down. I believe she's okay. She's just needing some medical attention.
Pacific and Echo 30 Ringer 1234 small incident 3178 911 dispute 6401 West Coast Street incident 320 200 1466.
Oh, really? Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I don't think it's too bad. We've got a few tow trucks lined up here, waiting to tow. But here's the scene right now. I'm not sure if the box truck is involved, honestly. I didn't see any damage on that. The only damage I can see is on the black Mercedes and the white Tesla. Sorry, y'all. Car stopped right in the way.
Council, incident 3162, council by the QR. PR 7 help me.
PR 7 help me.
Yeah, I don't think anyone's like super badly hurt. One of the ladies, they were checking her out. I think She's a little bit elderly, so she's lying down right now.
Mary Queen 83, 27 Mary Queen 83, are you clear?
But I don't think anyone's super hurt.
Mary Queen 83, I'm still the next.
It's a nice Charger.
27 Mary Queen 83, roger.
Cool color too.
6879, your status?
Yeah, no one's too hurt.
39, we're gonna be en route to 3144. 6879, roger.
Anywhere Shelby Unit 80W, the vehicle suspect is no Cerritos and full cars last seen southbound on Cerritos. Suspect is in black, big 28 car carrier. TC'd into several vehicles and also attempted to hit several residents. It's code 3230 3635.
Thank you for the shares, y'all. Beth, what's up? Thank you for the sub. If you're new here, make sure to follow. We'll go live with breaking news and crime here in Los Angeles. Right now we're at a little bit of a car collision on Palms Boulevard and Clarington. It's between this black Mercedes and then this white Tesla here. People keep stopping.
6836, 6836. Traffic party refusing to identify Franklin and Highland. Incident 3198 RD 625.
Come on, people.
Back on the 8 Robert William X-ray 468, repeat across. Repeat across. All units to 211 occurred.
See that other lady? She's okay. She's standing now.
10 minutes ago, in the east-west alley, west of Nicolette, south of Coliseum. Suspect last seen northbound through the apartment. Suspect is a male black, wearing a ski mask, blue hooded sweatshirt, black sweatpants, armed with a gun. Property taken is jewelry. Incident 3153. Roger, 6846 is there code 4?
Roger.
There's probably not going to be too much ASMR either.
Units code 4. 5657.
Nothing's on their side or flipped over. DD, thank you for the follow. Savannah, thanks for the follow. Yeah, white Tesla versus black Mercedes here on Palms and Clarington in Palms, neighborhood of West LA, or neighborhood of Los Angeles in the West LA area. Luckily not too bad. Crashes on this intersection. There's been a few crashes actually, and this one's not too bad. There was one a few months ago that was way worse. It was down from Palms onto Barrington down this way, and one of the cars had gone up on the sidewalk and flipped over. Pretty dog. Oh, so cute. What a sweetheart. We've got someone doing traffic manually. Yeah, Palms Boulevard and this intersection up here is always super trafficy. It's always jammed up, so it got a lot worse now. I know, I always get distracted by dogs. Yeah, luckily not too bad today. Luckily this collision not too bad. I mean, it's not great. You know, two people were loaded up to get checked out in the ambulance.
7834, are you there?
But it didn't look too bad. Both people were on their 2 feet walking. So that's good. I'm not sure who was at fault. I'm trying to visualize how they hit. They've both got, the white Tesla's got damage on the front, what is that, front rear side, and then the other one's got black. The black car's got the driver's side. Honestly, I don't know.
EL2, are you there?
Future, thanks for the follow.
It is all Roger. Roger. Another suspect on 2275 RD 636.
What's up, Bree? Thank you for the follow.
American 4727 Barry.
If you guys are new here, we document breaking news and crime here in Los Angeles.
Clarington, RA892 transport to Southern California, and RA858 to Kaiser, West LA, distance to 3143. American 82, can you create a close location for Beverly Drive and Beverly Wood Street?
Right now we're on Palms Boulevard and Clarington, in the Palms neighborhood of Los Angeles in West LA right now. We're in a 2-car collision, white Tesla and black Mercedes. 2 were transported, but both of them seem to be doing okay from what we saw.
15, are you standing by?
Dad will lose it. I might cross here in a little bit, just depending. I know some of the, I think one of the passengers is over there, and so I don't want to get up in their face. But once they tow, I probably will. As long as it doesn't take too long.
27 Mary 147 is requesting additional unit Palms Boulevard and Clarington Avenue for traffic control. Incident 3143.
Of course, Dana. I don't know if the delivery truck was. It's hard to tell. It kind of seems like the black car may have spun into it. I think the white truck probably doesn't have a lot of damage, but was probably hit. And I think there's a guy over there in a white shirt that I think is the tire hub driver.
Back to 1843 Cherokee Avenue.
But I'm not sure.
3275 RD636.
Yeah, once they start towing, I'll get over there on the other side. Carrie, what's up? Pamela, what's up? What's up, Castillo? How you doing? What's up? We're on Palms Boulevard in Clarington, in the Palms neighborhood. We're in West LA. Willis, thank you. Yeah, two-car collision here. Black Mercedes, white Tesla.
Unknown in a blue four-door car. Code 3 incident 3295 RD 321 Southwest Union Canada.
14 FP4, 14 FP4, is there?
What's up, Glizzy? How you doing?
Mary 147, 14825 is responding.
Thank you.
One Tesla, one black Mercedes.
Any specific unit, multiple batteries, domestic violence, 13603 Marina Point Drive, unit C as in Charles, 525. Code 27329 ID 1444.
So the traffic officers are here. They're going to document and probably investigate a little bit. And then after that, we'll get some, hopefully some ASMR, but I'm not sure. Yeah, we're in Palms. We're in Palms and on Palms Boulevard. Palms and Clarington.
15, go ahead.
Do you have an ETA to Wilcox for FD?
Oh, brother.
Right. 6845, FD clear, no transport.
Any Olympic supervisor, me 2853 3210 West Eco Boulevard for the death investigation. I was in a 32-mile Celsius line, Lieutenant Gun Jefferson. Subject is a green Toyota 3S7, John William David 0377, William David 037, subject male, back 30 years. Says 3306 3311, stand by for additional.
Got a little bit of a yard sale on the pavement here too. Glizzy, how are you? How are you doing? Ooh, look at this framing right here.
8098, roger. Code 853, 3179.
It's a white truck, almost has it perfectly framed for us. Yeah, Castillo was in here earlier. If you don't follow him, go follow him. If you don't follow Glizzy, go follow Glizzy. What other stringers are in here? There's a bunch in the chat here. If you don't follow them, go follow them. They also do breaking news and documentation of crime in Los Angeles, so go follow them as well. You follow them both, good. Yeah, I think possibly the black car may have drifted into the tire hub truck. We can't see the damage there. I don't think it's extensive though. I think there's the driver of the tire hub truck. I'm not sure though, but he's been standing here documenting and talking to officers. So I think that they're related. Who sent that? What was that? Hey, Ellie Glizzy, thank you, dude. Thanks for the money gun. Yeah, there's Castillo.
Oh, there's a gnarly accident.
Go follow Glizzy if you haven't already, and then Castillo, I'll pin you in a second. We're not sure who's at fault. Damn, Glizzy, thank you. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, brother. I like Glizzy, chill. Chill, Glizzy. Chill, thank you.
1425,
Crazy.
1425, come in. 1425, do you have an ETA for 27 Mary 147 to Palms and Clarington?
Alright, hold up, folks. I'm gonna put you in my pocket. 1 sec. Alright, we got a little bit of a better view.
1425,
Yeah, it looks like it just kissed the tire hub truck.
no need for code 3.
Alright, sorry, I gotta get B-roll.
Holding a time to meet Walnut PD, 333 South Catalina Street.
Yeah, it looks like tire hub was probably just sitting here at the stop sign and got kissed. We're on Palms Boulevard and Clarington.
Any Wilshire unit, possible ambulance overdose, 1830 South of Brea Avenue at the Motel, Group
We're on
116.
Clarington.
225 3774.
Where is it? Palms.
30. The apartment complex. Correction, the apartment number is 425.
Yeah, 2 were transported. They were standing, so they didn't look too bad, but 2 were transported.
29 Postal Ambulance Overdose, 1830 South La Brea Avenue, code 103325 and RD774. 27 Mary 147, OPG Palms in Clarington. Unit, trespass suspect 12424, incident 3172 RD20.
Yeah, what's up, everybody? If you're new, follow. We document breaking news and crime here in Los Angeles.
27 Mary 157 RD 629. Roger, thank you.
No, it's got its real plate on. It's kind of hard to see. The plate cover got a little crooked. You can see the debris field down on the ground here. Someone lost their sweet peas. Hey, chat.
Denied on Exposition Boulevard on platform level, train number 1060. Suspect no black, wearing a black sweater, white shirt, black bag. Assault from the P-line, threat, nurse dignity, will shoot someone. No weapons were seen. Code 3 3350, already 378.
We're on Palms Boulevard in Clarington, in Palms, the neighborhood of Los Angeles, West LA. Both drivers, I believe, got transported to the hospital.
7869,
Both of them were doing okay, though.
3325, 7885 will handle.
Not sure who's at fault. I was not here to see it.
69, Roger, thank you.
Oh, look at the Tesla glass. It's just hanging out.
Code 2, incident 3275, RD 636.
It just got busted out.
Code 103326 and RD 1454. And our tenant dispute 3636 South Lavada Boulevard, incident 3220 and RD 1437.
So Lily, thanks for the follow. Andrew, thanks for the follow. Appreciate.
10 to 15 for yellow.
Bro, how's everyone been? We got I got like a chest mount for the camera. We tried that out last night. We like walked around. It looks interesting. It's in one of my subscriber only videos, but it looks ridiculous. I didn't bring it today though. We just have our backpack with the other tripod stuff, but it depends, Andrew. I try to go live as much as possible, like every night. The past week or two, we've been super unlucky. We've been going to calls, we've been going to things, and then, it'll be like a 20-minute drive. We'll get there, and then it'll just be like not worth recording or filming or doing anything. So it'll be super frustrating. The past couple weeks, it's been like that. So we're hoping the weather will warm up, and with that, it'll cause more shenanigans to crime activities to happen. But it's been a little frustrating lately. I've also been kind of picky, and I don't know. We're figuring it out, but I try to go live as much as possible. I also upload all the VODs, or most of the VODs, onto our YouTube channel. So go subscribe on YouTube as well. If you miss anything and you want to watch it over. Yeah, typically this part of the street is always super backed up, and then the streets like Clarington get blocked by traffic, and so anyone trying to turn onto Clarington usually has to make like a blind turn, and typically that's where all these crashes happen. There was one a few months ago that they were just flying down Clarington and they hit one of the curbs, flipped over, and was upside down on the sidewalk with like 3 other cars involved. This one doesn't look too bad though, luckily.
Very 1.7. Can I have one more OPG code? Yes, one more code. For black Mercedes E350, license plate 9 St. Frank, Mary 451.
You can hear him, he's reading out the license plate.
27 Mary 147, Roger, Palms and Clarington.
We're on Palms and Clarington.
27 Mary 147, 20 minutes for tow.
In Los Angeles, in the west side of Los Angeles to be more specific, and even more specific, we're in the Palms neighborhood of West Los Angeles. 3-car crash actually. This tire hub box truck, I think, got kissed here by this Mercedes. 2 were transported. It didn't look super serious. They were standing, but they wanted to get checked out. So off they went in the rescue ambulance. And here we are. Somebody call 911. You're right. Let's get on that. Someone make sure to call 911. I'm joking. Please don't do that. Obviously 911 has been called. Fire is here. Police is here. Paramedics have already taken them away.
With unit considering her 5512 Tuxedo Terrace, incident 3319 RD629 and 507 radio, 1250 North June Street, incident 3352 RD663.
Captain. Back it up, we got Sergeant here. Okay, big blue bus coming.
Traffic stop, no plate from Montana and Gregory.
They're here for traffic control. Laura, thank you for the follow. Athena, thanks for the follow.
Montana and Gregory on a motorcycle with no plates.
Thank you for the heart me. What's up, everybody? We're in the Palms neighborhood of Los Angeles. Oh, you did, Dana? Yeah, the blue bus, and then the metro station is right up here. And that's the 10 freeway you can see.
We're going to be close 6 and 7 out of 85 incident.
Yeah, so luckily that box truck didn't get too much damage. It got damaged, but everyone's okay, at least in the box truck. The 2 drivers of these 2 cars were transported. They were standing up and walking. They seem to be doing okay, but they want to get checked out. No, Palms is on the west side of LA, not near Silver Lake.
27 units and then travel 1745 West 64th Street, 1745 West 64th Street, 2 miles west by Yale, help. No further open line between 7432 to 1222. Short Great Parents of the dog, it's code 3 and 73405 RD 2060. Code 3, call identified.
We're not sure who hit who. Don't know who's at fault. But there is, if anyone needs sweet peas / green beans, we're here on the road. Just to let you guys know.
Wilshire unit says 7833, 7833, we're finding silent, 715 South Limit. 715 South Limit, code 3 and 1040733, correction 739.
Alright, again, if you guys are new, make sure to follow. We document breaking news and crime here in Los Angeles.
315 South Limit Boulevard.
Make sure to subscribe on YouTube, follow on TikTok. Go watch some of our other videos. We've been right in the middle of a pursuit. Subscribe on TikTok if you want to support. It's $2.99. You get to see a face reveal. You get to see what I look like. You get to see us follow a pursuit in real time. It's a 7-minute video. Appreciate you, Dana. Bob, thank you. Welcome, welcome. Thank you, Bob. How you doing? Oh, we get kids in the school bus screaming. So I'm not gonna pan over to them. Bob, thank you.
Battery in progress. Suspect still inside the storeroom to the stick. Incident 3405.
It's got the clipboard out.
$2833, code 6, Pico in Westmoreland. RD 1454, identify.
We're on Palms Boulevard and Clarington. Wesley, thank you for the follow. Are we almost at 12K? Oh, we hit 12K. Let's go. Appreciate you all. We're in Los Angeles. We're in the Palms neighborhood of Los Angeles.
27 Mary Queen 80, come in. Correction, repeat.
Zane, thank you for the follow. CNG, thank you for the follow. What's up? Thank you for the comments. Thanks for the likes, guys. I appreciate you. Thank you for the heart me. Welcome, welcome.
80, repeat your message. Identify before going outside this division.
If you want extra support, we've got subscriptions. It's $2.99. It helps with gas money. I appreciate that. But I appreciate you all just being here and following and interacting and hanging out while we document crime and breaking news here in Los Angeles. Again, we'll give one more recap here, but we're in the Palms neighborhood of Los Angeles. We're near Culver City, right in Palms. So Culver City is to our right. We're on Palms Boulevard in Clarington. There's a 3-car collision. the little white or the big white box truck moved away. They just got a little bender in their fender.
7 MP2 is there.
Yo, Dana, thank you. Oh my god, the puppy's flying around. What was I saying? I appreciate that, Dana. Thank you.
873, 14973, right there. 1473, negative, thank you. 2970, true.
Oh, but yeah, we've got subscriptions as well. Puppy was kissing the light pole. Oh, I didn't know that was one where I need my face. See, that's the thing. If you want to see my face, you gotta subscribe, or we gotta hit what, like 50K, and we'll do a public face reveal.
Code 6315 South Plymouth Boulevard.
Yeah, everyone's okay. 2 were transported to the hospital, but they were both standing and able to get into the chair by themselves. So luckily they're doing okay. It's definitely not the worst we've seen. And the driver of the box truck is on scene. They were just kissed by the black Mercedes when they were stopped at the stop sign here.
Roger, 315 South Plymouth Boulevard, 459 Thailand.
Got a burglary happening right now, not in our area though. See, the other problem is like, so right now you can see kind of how bad traffic is getting. It's only 4 o'clock. It's going to get worse and worse and worse. Going a mile right now is going to take like 20-30 minutes. So any call that comes out right now is going to be near impossible to go to, which is frustrating because it just so happens to seem like all the stuff amps up right when traffic is bad, which makes sense. More people are out, but that makes it hard for us to go document things unless it's right near a place. But like after this, we're gonna jump in our car, drive back to the apartment, and it'll probably take a little bit.
George 33, code 6, Venice in Manhattan, please.
But that's kind of what's been happening lately. Is everything's been happening right when traffic is at its worst. It's just going to be impossible to go to because everything's going to be cleaned up and gone and no longer happening by the time we get to it. Why is everyone screaming?
Unit domestic violence 2020 South Bunny Drive, 8 hardware.
The camper's screaming.
Code 2 is 343.
We got the driver of this truck screaming. Y'all, it's traffic. This road is, everyone knows this road sucks. You could get on the 10 freeway if you want. It's guaranteed not any better. JP, thanks for the follow. I wonder if we've seen this sergeant before. I wonder if he was one of the ones that was eating chips when we were on the pursuit, like after the chase.
Code 4 and code 6 Charles Pico and Westmoreland, suspect in custody.
Yeah, for real, no street. Nothing is good right now. You might as well just stay home.
315 South Plymouth Boulevard, accident only.
Also, don't these people work? It's only 4 o'clock. How does everyone get off so early? What's up, JP? How you doing? We're in west side of Los Angeles. We're in the Palms neighborhood of Los Angeles. School traffic? Oh, that's true. But how, as a parent, like, aren't you working until 5? Like, does work allow you to just get out of work to go pick up your kid at school? How does that work? I don't have a kid, so I don't know how that works. Thank you, JP. I hope you're doing well. Yeah, there are 2 injuries. 2 were transported to the hospital. They look to be okay, though.
1745 Wilcox Avenue, apartment 7. Correction 471. 20 George 33, code 6 Charles indicated, verify your location.
What's up, Cali girl? We're on Palms.
Code 6 Charles.
Allie, thank you.
Please, suspect in custody.
There goes the puppy. He's gonna fly away. Oh. Allie, thank you.
Boulevard,
I don't know who's at fault, but we're on Palms Boulevard and Clarington Avenue in the Palms neighborhood of Los Angeles.
27 American 82, roger.
Appreciate you, Allie.
245.
I like those kissing puppies. Just wish it didn't fly away like that. It licks the pole, then it flies away.
Call 6245 Ulster Boulevard on 459 investigation.
Damn, they're really good. He's really doing a lot of documentation. I thought we were going to get a tow here. Hopefully some good scrapage and ASMR, but
Commander Smith, Charles,
it's taking a little bit longer than we thought. We're in Palms, near Culver City, but more, I don't even know. On the other side of Venice Boulevard. Yeah, probably. They probably did blame each other. I mean, there's got to be cameras. Everyone's got cameras nowadays.
Commander 7 Charles, incident 34.
Although I know a lot of these apartments probably don't. I don't know. Some of them got to have cameras. Oh yeah, Tesla's got cameras, that's right.
Mary Queen 74, 43 Mary Queen 74, are you clear?
The box truck backed up and I think is parking, probably parked on this street on Clarington over there.
Mary Queen 73, roger.
Why is she so mad? She's yelling at the cops because she can't turn left? They must have been going pretty fast too, because I mean, I feel like that's a lot of damage for like a slow turn, right? Maybe not.
1454 and 1492. Can you show us code 6 Rose and Oceanfront Walk, west side of the parking lot?
V4 and 14 and 32 code 6 Rose and Oceanfront Walk on the west side of the parking lot.
Yeah, I think you're right, Dana. I think it is 35. People fly down it. We've seen a few things on Palms Boulevard, actually. We've seen a girl DUI crash and then fail her test and get put in the car. She crashed into a parked car, and so no one was hurt, but she got a ride down to jail. Yeah, we're in Palms neighborhood, and we're on Palms Boulevard and Clarington. So near the metro stop in Palms. You're gonna be backed up if you're going west or east on Palms Boulevard.
Location code 23462 RD 657. Wanted to comment first.
Oh yeah, you went to the middle school? Yeah, and if you want to know, if you guys are interested about Palms, the neighborhood, LA in a Minute just did a piece on Palms. It's like one of the oldest annex neighborhoods or something, he said, and used to be called The Palms, and there used to be a ton of palm trees planted, and until they uprooted them and took them out. And it's a very congested area with a lot of apartment buildings. Sounds like they ripped down single family homes. I don't remember when he said, maybe after the war. I don't remember. Go watch the video. and built up a bunch of, you know, multi-unit buildings, which is great for affordability. And what LA needs to happen, they need to build more affordable apartments, not expensive luxury apartments. Anyways, my little rant on affordability here in Los Angeles, but yeah, we're on Palms.
First all units, 459 Silent, 1680 Summit Ridge Drive, 1680 Summit Ridge Drive with the residence. Code 3 incident 3470-808. West all units to handle identified.
What happened? Car crash.
West all unit traffic refused to ID. Sunset on the 405 to the PR.
This car and this car collided.
466-805.
And now there's stuff on the road. That's what happened.
All units, 8x48 responding code 3 from West LA Station to 1680 Summer Ridge Drive. 81, repeat your last. 813268.
Do you have the PR signal?
Roger. About re-identify.
8852.
That is not the box truck. Both drivers were transported to the hospital with what seems like minor injuries.
West traffic units, ambulance traffic 165 South Vermont. 165 South Vermont. Code 3 incident 3478 and RD 2017. West traffic unit down like that.
Alright folks, follow if you're new. We document breaking news and crime here in Los Angeles. I appreciate it.
Till 6, 30 minutes.
I need to go eat. I eat at weird times. I need to go eat. And then hopefully we'll be on later. Hopefully we'll be on later with some more breaking news and crime here in Los Angeles. If you want to see what I look like, subscribe. Face reveal for subscribers only. It also helps with gas, so we appreciate it. Oh, here comes the tow truck. All right, we'll stay for a little bit longer.
For the white car, 13427 Larry, 134. Have you arrived at Center Main Street?
Okay, so the white car is for the owner's request, and then it doesn't count for the okay. You're here first, you get the easier one. They're both the same.
I-1 Westgate 19 Boy John 704.
Call back, attempted to cancel, advise realtor is only at location, advise
I thought someone else crashed. Ooh. He's gonna yell at me if I go on the street.
There was another accident 2 weeks ago in the same place.
Yeah, and then like 2 months ago down like right there on Clarington. Yeah. They need to fix something.
20, RD 2017.
Yeah, both are going to OPG.
2853, when you receive your reach-on. Unit 2853 is responding code 3 from Pico and Gramercy 2165 South Vermont Avenue. Anyone delayed unit, ambulance overdose 2346 Cotton Avenue, code 2 incident 3485, body 883. Mary 134, 27
You okay?
Mary 134,
No,
have you
no
arrived
driving, I just
at
represented.
Main
Oh.
Street?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
They're driving. Yeah, just the hospital.
27
Yeah, that's what I saw.
Yeah, it's all,
Was it both of them, right?
both of them.
68, have you arrived?
Well, I hope they're okay.
I think that, yeah.
Okay, good, good.
13849, repeat, you came in unreadable.
We're on Palms Boulevard in Clarington, in the Palms neighborhood of Los Angeles.
Are you clear?
Okay, there goes one.
Hold on a second, yeah, I'm on. Hold on a second.
Black jacket, black pants, with black backpack, carrying a skateboard, struck a passing vehicle, coherent to 3501 or D41. 27 TL 48, roger.
Back tires are dragging. We're locked up.
Roger.
If I open one lane,
6050, code 61745 Wilcox Avenue.
You can see where the window just blew out from the airbag. This grass is green. I don't know who. They do some good work. Some nice grass there.
Black braid, 40s, white shirt, unplugged shorts. Going on object of passing vehicles. Code 3, incident 3505, RD 1258.
Alright folks, appreciate it. My phone's gonna die. I need to eat. I need to go get sugar. Feeling low blood sugar. So I appreciate it. If you're new here, follow. We document breaking news and crime here in Los Angeles. I will see you guys later. I appreciate you all for being here. I appreciate following you. You following me. Hold on. Hello. Yeah, we'll bring you more breaking news soon. My brain is fried. I don't know why. God damn. Alright. Alright, y'all. From Palms Boulevard and Clarington Avenue here in Palms, Los Angeles. I appreciate you, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.